Welcome to Learnino. Today we are going to discuss GK class previous year question 6. Rigveda, first question. Rigveda consists of a collection of dash. 1028 hymns, 4028 hymns, 2028 hymns, 3028 hymns. Answer is option A, 1028 hymns. Rigveda consists of a collection of 1028 hymns. Rigveda consists of 10 mandalas. 10 mandalas. Rigveda written by Veda Vyasa. Veda written by Veda Vyasa. Veda written in language Sanskrit. English translator of who was the English translator of Rigveda? Who was the English translator of Rigveda? Max Muller. Max Muller was the English translator of Rigveda. Veda written in Sanskrit language. Which Vedic god falls under the category of Prithvistana, terrestrial god? Option A, Vishnu. Option B, Brihaspati. Option C, Varuna. Option D, Indra. Answer option B, Brihaspati. The Vedic god were classified under terrestrial Prithvidasana, atmospheric, Antariksha, and terrestrial Yushasana, Prithvi, Agni, Soma, Brihaspati and reverse belongs to Prithvidasana. Option B is the answer, Brihaspati. There are dash mantras in the Rigveda which include the unproven Valkyrja hymns. Answer 1028. Which of the following Veda is book of rituals? Book of rituals. Which of the following Vedas is a book of ritual? The Yajurveda. The Yajurveda is known as Veda of sacrificial formulas and contain prose formulas applicable to various rites along with verses intended for similar purpose. Yajurveda is known as the book of rituals. The Upaveda of Yajurveda is Dhanurveda. Upaveda of the Yajurveda. Upaveda of the Yajurveda is Dhanurveda. Yajurveda is known as book of rituals. Which of the four Vedas is known as Veda of sacrificial formulas and contain prose formulas applicable to various rites along with the verses intended for a similar purpose? Option A, Yajurveda. Option B, Rigveda. Option C, Samaveda. Option D, Atharvaveda. Answer is Yajurveda. Which Veda is the largest and considered the most important of the collection containing 1028 hymns divided into 10 books called mandalas? Answer option D. 6 major philosophical schools of Hinduism are Nyaya, Sankhya, Yoga, Vaishikya, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. Brihadaranya, Mundaga and Kshatriya are some examples of which of the following categories of religious texts? Option A, Upanishad is answer. Brihadaranya, Mundaga and Taittiriya are some examples of Upanishad religious text. Word Upanishad has been derived from the root sad word to sit, to which are added to two prefixes, Upa and Ni. The prefix uba denotes nearness and a near totality. Thus, this word means sitting nearby devotedly. Which one of the following limbs of Vedas is known for the explanation and meaning of complex words? Kalpa, Vyagaran, Channada, Nirukta. Answer option D, Nirukta. Vedangas are the organ part of Veda. These are 6 in number. Shiksha, Channada, Vyakarana, Nirukta, Jyotisha, and Kalpa. Nirukta is much famous for its description of complex words. It was composed by Yaksha, who recognized it as a complementary of Vyakarana. The tough words which were out of reach of Vyakarana are well described in Nirukta. What does the term Uba in the Upanishad denote? It is nearness. The Vedic time period in India lasted from 1500 to 500 BC. So this is the last question of this section. Thank you.